Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Maths TV. Today we will be going through step-by-step revision videos, and today's topic is displaying data, which is very important topic. So in this topic we will be going through these five segments. First one is two-way tables, and then bar charts. We will be going through pie charts as well, stem and leaf diagrams also, and back-to-back stem and leaf diagrams. These are very important, and so many things are coming from these sections in IGCSE and Cambridge and Edexcel, all exams. So you will have to go through this video in detail. Two-way tables are like this one, and in these type of tables, for example, this one is having a two-way table, shows frequencies for two different variables. Like for example, this one is red, black, blue, white. So these are different variables, and cars, vans, and motorbikes are different other variables. And they have given this total from this side, so we have to add this side and find what will be number over here. Similarly, these three are given, we have to find total. From this side also, this should add up to 22, so white we have to find. Similarly, we have to, when we will fill this one, then after that we will be finding this total as well. So total is on this side also and this side also. That's why we are saying this is two-way tables. So next thing which we'll be going through is bar charts. Bar charts are used to display discrete data. Discrete data is not continuous, so we are showing in the form of bars like this, and discrete data items in different categories. So in different categories, they show the number or frequencies of items in different categories. So for example, see this one, children and adults. This chart is shown for number of peoples and score. So this is for children and this is for adult. In this case, there's no children category and only adult category is there. Similarly, this one number 3 is children is more than adult. So this is basically we are showing in form of bars, and there should be equal gaps between these bars. If you see, this one is having one box gap, and this children is 0, so this category is 0, so this is the gap, and this one is for children category. So we will be just taking this bar, then again one bar gap, and then two representation of children and adult, and again one bar gap. And so we will be having equal gaps. In this graph also, if you check this side is having car color and frequency on y-axis. So blue, red, silver, and black, and gaps, if you see this is having equal gaps. So this is how we are showing bar charts. This is two-way table, gives information about colors of the vehicles in the car park. We have to answer these A, B, C, D parts. First of all, copy and complete the table. So we have to complete this table. From this side, if we check, 8 plus 2 will be 10, but we need 12, so this will be 2. Similarly, this one, 7 plus 2 will be 9, 9 plus 1 will be 10, so we can write here 10. 4 plus 1, 5, plus 1 will be 6. Then we can check on this side, 8 plus 4 will be 12, 12 plus 7 will be 19, 19, and 20, 21, and 22. So 3 will be here. Then comes 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 10, 15. So this side will be 15. We are adding this side as well as this side. So this will be 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 will be 6. So this will be 6. Similarly, this will be 13 plus 2 will be 15. So this one will be 15. Now we can add this side as well. So to add this side, we can even use calculator also. So this will be 22 plus 15 plus 6 will be equal to 43. And this side should also add up to 43, and we'll check 10 plus 12 plus 10 plus 6 plus 15 will be equal to 43. So both sides are adding up to 43. This one is done. A part is done. Then B part, it is saying how many motorbikes are blue. So for B part, how many motorbikes? These are motorbikes and blue will be 1. So answer to B part is 1. So this will be 1. Then for C part, how many vans are there? Vans are these, so vans are 15. So answer to C part will be 15. Then D part, what percentage of vehicles are? So for D part, D1 will be writing percentage of cars. Cars are 12 out of 43. We can write 12 out of 43 into 100. So this will be 12 divided by 43 and multiply by 100. This will be equal to 27.91%. 27.91%. We can write percentage symbol also. Then for second part, they are asking for vans. So vans will be 15, also 15 divided by 40 out of 43. So 15 out of 43. 15 out of 43. So cars are basically, if we check again, cars are 22. So not 12, 22 out of 43. So 22, we will divide 22 divided by 43, multiply by 100. This will be equal to 51.16%. So we'll change this answer 51.16%. These are basically, they are asking the percentage of vehicles were cars. So if we check, cars are this one, 22 out of total, which is 43. So this will be the percentage. Then they are asking second part, vans are 15 out of 43. So 15 out of 43 will be this one. We can change this 22 by 15, so we'll get this percentage, and this will be 34.88%. And then comes the third percentage, which they are asking for red. So red color, if we check, red color is 12. So cars, vans and motorbikes, red color will be 12. 12 out of 43 into 100, which is equal to, so we can change this 15 to 12, and this will be the percentage, which is 27.91. 27.91%. So this is how we are solving this two-way table and answering the questions on the basis of this two-way table. This is basically a bar chart interpretation graph, which we have to answer these questions on the basis of this given graph. This is a number of people on this side and score on this side. Children, first bar is for children, this dark one, and adult is this bar, second one. So first A part, they are asking how many children gave the magazine a score of 1. If I quickly go through the question, a group of children and adults were asked to rate a music magazine on a scale from 1 to 5. This dual bar chart shows the results. So how many children gave the magazine a score of 1? So this is 1, and first one is children bar, so only 2 children. So we can write answer as 2. And for B part, they are asking how many adults rated the magazine. So adult is this second bar, so up to this one is 10. So we can write this 10 plus this bar will be up to 12. So plus 12, then plus this bar will be up to 5. So added 5 plus this bar will be 2. So this will be plus 2, and third bar, last one, is not having any data for adults, so this is adding up to 29. So our answer for B will be 29. Which score did not children give? So this is, first bar is blank, so you can say that C is score 2. Score 2. Then D part, they are asking which score was given by twice as many children as adults. So we can check D part. See the score 3. The children are giving 10, and this is like children are 10 and adults are 5. So we can say score 3. Then E part, make one comment about the scores given by the adults compared to those given by the children. If we compare the bars, adult bars are giving more scores as 1, 2, 3, whereas children's are scoring more like 3, 4, and 5. So we can write as E. Children scored higher. Children gave higher scores as compared to adults. So children were giving higher scores like 3, 4, and 5, whereas adults were giving lower scores like 1, 2, and 3. So it means like more liked by, if for example 5 means higher liking, then it will be videos will be highly liked by the children as compared to adults. Hopefully you understood the questions, and we will be uploading practice questions regarding tables and charts also. And don't forget to subscribe Maths TV and like the video. And after subscription, you will be getting notification for upcoming videos as well. Thank you very much for watching Maths TV. Take care. Bye.